Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the iPhone is connected to the Wi-Fi you want to share, and you write down the SSID and password. This avoids guesswork later. Once done, open Shortcuts and create a new shortcut. We use shortcuts because iOS doesn't show a ready QR generator for networks. Add a text action immediately and begin the Wi-Fi QR payload with the format the scanner expects, so the QR will auto-join other devices when scanned. Now build the payload string using the standardized format: Wi-Fi, T, WPA, S, SSID, P password. Replace WPA if you use WEP or NOPS for open networks. Then add a generate QR action and feed it the text action output. This converts the payload into an image the camera app can interpret. After that, append a save to photos action or a share sheet so you can show, print, or send the QR. Test by running the shortcut to confirm the QR appears correctly. Finish by scanning the generated QR with a second device. The camera should detect the Wi-Fi payload and offer to join automatically, which proves the shortcut worked. Make sure to save or print the image so guests can scan it quickly. You can also AirDrop or message it. If scanning fails, check the SSID spelling, the password, and that you use the correct encryption token, WPA, WEP, or NOPS. Incorrect values are the most common reason scam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.